there, my name is Dora. I'm a format expert, and this video is to show you how to add captions and image descriptions to your gallery pages. To get started, you'll need to go to the Pages editor here from the left side toolbar. Select a gallery page and go to its editor. Once within the gallery editor, you'll need to scroll down and select the image you want to add captions to. By tapping below the image, you'll be able to type in your caption. When you're ready, you can save changes here from the upper right-hand side corner for the caption to also be visible on your live site. If you want to add image descriptions as well, you'll need to go to the Captions and Descriptions tab here. In this window, you will see two columns, one for adding captions to each of your gallery's images. So this is another great way for adding captions, and one for image descriptions. Adding image descriptions helps those who are visually impaired or have certain sensory processing or learning disabilities view your site. You can tap the relevant box and enter your description. Then save changes. I hope this has been helpful to you. If you have any questions, please do feel free to reach out to us via chat. The chat icon is located here in the lower right-hand side corner of your screen, or via email at info@format.com. We'd be happy to help.